We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel. Today in front of me I have the EXO Ranger X7 Plus drone, and in this video I'll show how you can adjust the drone speed in a few simple steps. So while in the camera view or flying interface, you can either tap at this button and switch the drone speed between 50% of its maximum speed, of its maximum velocity, or if you want to fly safely or just slowly, or if you would like to use the drone at its maximum allowed velocity speed, just put it all the way to 100. On your remote controller you also have a physical button to change that. Here it is. It has the triangle printed and the, or actually not triangle, the arrow printed and the word speed printed also. So by tapping on it you're doing the same. You're doing the same thing. You're switching the drone speed between low and high values, so between 50% of its maximum speed and 100% of its maximum speed respectively. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.